everyone! In this video, I will show you how to classify text in Google Sheets using AI. To do this, you first need to add an extension. To install, go to the top menu and click on Extensions. Then, from the drop-down, click on Add-ons and select Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace in a pop-up window. In the search bar at the top right, type GPT for Sheets and press Enter. From the search results, install this. In this tutorial, I already have it installed, but on your end, there is an Install button at the bottom right part. Click this and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the setup. Once it's installed, you can open it by going back to the Extensions menu at the top. Hover over the extension you will use, then click Open. To classify text, we will use the skeletal system for this example. We have a list of bones and a set of classification types at the top. In the designated cell, type this equation: GPT_classify, open round bracket, then click the cell containing the text you want to classify, type comma, then click and drag to select the classification options. Then, type close round bracket, then press Enter. GPT will classify your text based on the provided categories. So, that is how you classify text in Google Sheets using AI. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.